Hi, Denise here from Project Frugal. We're off to the beach to get some seaweed to make some seaweed tea for the plants.
We're here.
Yeah.
So that point over there, it's there. That's quite a distance.
I've walked to there.
Get over to here.
On the creek.
Oh yeah, that's.
Never done any of this stuff. Quad biking, horse trekking, lighthouse. Never done that. You've done that. I've probably been there.
Oh, the golf club. Yeah, great. Yeah. And I've been to the pool. Find a fish. Delicious. Is that enough? See, it doesn't take long at all, does it?
No.
Look at that stick there. Surely that'll do right for something. You can just saw the end of it, right? Yeah, this one.
rubbish.
Is that a good stick?
Yeah, nice. Bye-bye.
Here we go, here's the haul. We got some seaweed. Maybe a couple of buckets worth. A lot of cars here. It's not really a swimming beach. And here's our fantastic selection of sticks for the garden. And because we're good citizens, we've found this bottle of beer, empty of course, on the beach. We'll chuck in the rubbish. Tiger Draft. Not Tiger Brokers, Tiger Draft. Or Tiger Lager, one of the two. 10 points for the tourist, that's each. That's 40 points there.
What does that mean?
It's funny.
It's not.
It is funny.
East Harbour.
Is it?
Yeah. This is the bridge that goes across to the walk that connects to the lighthouse on the point. And we've never done this walk, so we're going to do this walk, aren't we, Vinny?
Yeah, at some stage.
No, we're going to do this walk in January.
Oh, okay. Not today.
Not today, though. I think it's a good 3-hour return.
The next day.
Yesterday we went on a visit to the Wainuiomata Coast beach where we got some seaweed to make some seaweed tea, and we also picked up some driftwood which we're going to make a plant climber out of. So let's go. What we've got here is 3 longer pieces of driftwood which we're going to make a TeePee out of. So that's the first part that we need to assemble, which is pretty much just like this.
Ideally we'd be using cable ties, but we haven't got any, not long enough anyway, so we're using twine in the interim. Rita! Come on, Rita! Where are you going? Come back here! You come back here, Rita! Hello, little. Are you hiding in there? In the mint. You're going to smell nice.
This is a very easy, cost-effective plant support system. So you can make them as big or as small as you want. So we've made this to go over our lemon tree because it needs some support. Now we're going to make the seaweed tea. Here's our seaweed and we're going to tip it into this water bin. We'll put that in the recycling. I'm just going to give it a bit of a push down. We're just going to let that sit for a few days. And I'll put it on the plants. That's it for today.
I'm putting this in.
No, you're not.
I am. Come on, Denise, get it together.
That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.